How to change language in IMO. Want to change the app's language? This guide shows you how to change language in IMO so you can use the app in your preferred language. First, open IMO and tap on the profile picture on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a side menu, also known as the Me page. Here you can see your profile and other settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. At the bottom, you will find the language option. Tap on it and a new window will pop up with a list of all the languages that you can use in the app. You can scroll through the list and select the language that you want to use. You should also know that the IMO's language is the same as the iPhone system language. If you change the iPhone's language, the app's language will also change. So you can also change the app's language from your iPhone's main settings app. You now know how to change language in IMO. Get ready to use the app in a preferred language. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.